Jump in the lights, jump in the lights. Oh, it's her again. And now she's back on the pavement. Jump in the lights, another unregistered motor vehicle. Jump in the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Jump in the lights, unregistered motor vehicle. Jump in the lights. There's no motor vehicles there, and that does include illegal motor vehicles like yours. And another one driving an unregistered motorbike through the park. And here's one driving an unregistered motor vehicle, the one way down a one-way street. And there's a terrorist back.
Let's go.
Driving his motorbike on the pavement, that's not nice. Scumbag. Not allowed to drive your motorbike through the park either, you cunt. Oh, there's one driving an unregistered motorbike on the pavement there, that's not nice. Another one. And one on the UMV jumping the lights. Another one there driving an illegal motorbike in our cycle lane. There's one using a phone on an unregistered motorbike. And there's another one on an unregistered motorbike jumping the lights. Another one of Starmer's imports. Jump in the lights, another unregistered motor vehicle there. One of Starmer's imports. Jump in the lights, another one of Starmer's imports on an illegal motorbike. Another arsehole on an illegal motorbike. Oh, and that's a close pass for the park on the illegal motorbike. Oh, and now he's jumping the lights as well. What an absolute wanker. Jumping the lights. Another of Starmer's imports on an illegal motorbike. Another scummy criminal taking work away from legitimate couriers. Whoa! One driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement. Another of Starmer's imports. And there's a dickhead on the pavement. Another one on an unregistered motorbike. Jump in the lights. Twat on an illegal motorbike using a mobile phone. Jump in the lights. Another twat on an illegal motorbike. Look at this twat, driving an illegal motorbike the wrong way, on the wrong side of the road. Bloody hell, what is this twat up to? Jump in the lights. Another scumbag driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement. There she is, and a cyclist on the pavement as well. her again, still driving her motorbike on the pavement. There you go.